Fruity friends relax on a sun-drenched beach. Apple sips a colorful smoothie from a coconut shell. Banana joins in, enjoying a refreshing drink. Orange suggests a game of volleyball. The fruits gather to form teams. Watermelon serves the ball with impressive force. Apple dives dramatically to save a point. Banana spikes the ball over the net. The fruits celebrate a well-played game. Everyone returns to their beach spots. Fresh smoothies appear for the exhausted players. The fruity friends toast to a perfect day.